My name is Wes Adams. I'll be the instructor for the course. This is Personal Community Help, and I want to go through this video and just give you a rough idea of how the course is designed, just to kind of welcome you to the course, show you how to navigate, how to find all the assignments within the course. That way you're not lost, and if this is the first time that you've ever taken an online course, you'll have a good idea about how easy it can be to take an online course. So this is actually the cover of the book that we'll be using. So if you haven't purchased it yet, I've got the information in a module on where you can locate it and the ISBN number where you can actually look it up online if you want to purchase it online. So here's my name again, Wes Adams, and there's my office location, which is at Northeast Lakeview College in room 102A. There's my office phone number, but the best way to get in contact with me, especially since it's an online course, is through Canvas email. And if you'll click this little button here where it says start the course, that'll take us to the modules. And that's where everything is housed that you need to do for the course, to complete the course. So that was the home page we left. This is the module page. So if you ever wanted to go directly to it without clicking the link that I showed you below, you can just click on modules. This week 1 course orientation is put on here by Distance Ed, and this is the video that you're watching right now. And if you click on it, you can watch it again. So if you forget anything, you can click on it. BioSig is something that you're going to have to go through and set up before you take the midterm, and I encourage you to do that first, way before you ever get to the midterm, and go through and practice it several times. And you're going to see BioSig integrated throughout the course, so it'd be a good idea to go ahead and get it set up now. Here's the textbook information. I showed you the cover of it, and you can use that ISBN number to look it up online if you need to. So I'm not going to click on each one of these. You can go through those yourself. And here's some stuff on academic support services, learning support services. Module 1. This is the first part of the course. This will be week 1. You'll need to complete everything in module 1. And here's the syllabus. So when you click on that, you can go through it. It gives all the grading. After you read it, you're going to have a syllabus quiz and then a discussion over the syllabus. So this is going to ask you specific questions about the syllabus, just making sure that you've read it. And the discussion will actually have you post a question that you may have about the syllabus, and hopefully that'll help answer your questions and any other students' questions they may have. So you may actually answer somebody else's question for them. And then after that, all these modules, once you get into module 2, which would be week 2, they pretty much follow the same format. So you'll watch a video, which is essentially just the PowerPoint presentation. I'm highlighting key points on it, but if for some reason you can't watch the video, it's not a big deal. Just go in, use the PowerPoint. After you go through the PowerPoint, then take a self-test. And this one can be printed off. Make sure you get all the correct answers on it. And then once you feel that you have all the correct answers, go in and take the graded quiz. This is just for repetition. And then you'll have a discussion over some topic from the PowerPoint and the video. And every module after that follows the same format. Video, PowerPoint if needed, or you can use both, but they have the same information in them. So if one's not working, you can use the other to answer the self-test questions, then take the graded quiz, then discussion. And again, all the modules from there follow the same format. So I hope this kind of gives you an overall understanding of how to navigate. You can also click on grades. This will tell you where you're at, and you can also plug in some hypothetical grades to see what you would need to make on certain assignments in order to get the grade that you want. Here's a link to other people in the class, so if you need to ask them a question, or maybe you're just not understanding something and y'all want to get together and talk about some of these questions that you may have about the course, you can talk to other people in the class. But that's all the links that I've set up for you, and I did that on purpose. I didn't want you to have to search around for through a lot of different links. You're actually seeing the instructor view right now. The student view looks a little bit different than this, but not much different. You're only going to have those links right there. You won't see the settings button down there, I don't believe, on the student view. Anyway, so I hope this helps you navigate the course and kind of welcomes you to the class. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me through Canvas email, which is right there. So just click the inbox.